All right, Brendan here with King Tester. We are going to go over our A1, our King Portable Brinell Hardness Tester. This is our standard model, standard 3,000 kilogram test head with our standard base. You have a 13.5-inch vertical capacity and a 4-inch depth on the throat here. So we're going to run over that, but first we're going to go over our King Tester bag that also comes with it here. And out of this, we are going to have our pump handle first. So we'll go ahead and put this on to our pump segment here. And that will just snap on easy like that. Second, have our direct verification certification. So we have our direct, which is to a 4-string, and our indirect, which is against a test block here. And then also you will have your manual in the bag as well. So this will go over the general operation, any problems that you may run into. This will have a fix for it, and also all the major components, replacement parts that you may need down the road. And then we will also have our 3 anvils here. So we have our flat anvil that I'll throw onto the base here. We have a V anvil for testing rounds. When you're using the V anvil, you have a capacity of testing up to an 8-inch OD pipe here. So since you have a 4-inch gap here. And then we also have our dome anvil as well. And then we also have our wall chart here as well, so hanging up doing your diameter to your conversion of Brinell number. So major components with the King Portable Brinell Tester here. For the base here, this is our crank handle, so you can pump it up and down when you go down to set it to a piece. We also have our stroke limiter. This is only on our 4-inch throat bases. This is going to limit wear on your pump segment here. So when you're pumping, this is going to limit that space there. Another thing we have added, moving on to the test head, we have our external calibration assembly. So simply, if you're looking to change the force that you want to apply here on our high pressure test head, you can move it down to 1500 kg. It's a simple hex key or Allen key that you would adjust, and then you can verify it against a hardness test block that is certified. It used to be internal, we have moved it to external. And then we have also have our pressure release valve and engage valve here. So that will be set when you go to run a test here. One other component that we added on the King Portable head here is a bleeder valve on the bottom. You can't actually see it, but it's actually right behind where the 10mm ball is. So when you go to change the oil there, you'll be able to actually just run out the oil that way. It used to be on the back. It's a little bit easier, so you don't have to tip the test head back here. And so going over that, that's our A1 model. We also have a low pressure test head for testing below 1,000 kg. And all of our test heads are interchangeable. And then we also have a long ram if you need to get into the deeper cavities as well. And then for base options, we also have 3 additional bases along with a chain adapter. Bases range from a 20-inch vertical capacity to a 6-inch throat, so you'll be able to test. And then we have a chain adapter as well that you're able to test a wide variety of parts specifically for your rounds. And that is our King Portable Brinell A1 model.